Now let's take a look at scenario B. Scenario B deals with the idea of a satellite orbiting the Earth and its relation to two cities, Houston and Cape Canaveral. Again, using these 3 points, we're able to construct a triangle. We have the satellite as point S, Houston as point H, and Cape Canaveral as point C. From the information given to us, we know that the satellite is 530 miles from Houston. We know that Cape Canaveral and Houston are 902 miles apart. And we know the angle of elevation from Houston to the satellite is 85 degrees. Using this information, we see we have a side, we have a second side, and we know the angle between them. Such then we have side, angle, side, which is the law of cosines. At the same time, we're asked to find the distance of the satellite to Cape Canaveral. So we're looking here for side H. So we will let H equal the distance between the satellite and Cape Canaveral. Again, since we're using the law of cosines, we know that h squared is equal to 902 squared plus 530 squared, the two sides, known sides, minus 2 times the product of those sides, and the cosine of the angle between them, or the cosine of 85. So in doing that, we can simplify this equation to find h squared. So we know that 902 squared is 813604 plus 530 squared, which is 280,900 minus 2 times 902 times 530 times the cosine of 85, which is approximately 83,331.3. If we simplify these three, the 813,000 plus the 280,000 minus the 83,000, we get approximately 1,011,172.6. Now that is h squared, but we're not looking for h squared, we are looking for h. So we will have to take the square root of both sides of the equation, which gives us h is equal to approximately 1,005 5.6 miles. Again, we've now solved the equation, but we need to remember to answer in the context. So we would say that the satellite is 1,005.6 miles from Cape Canaveral. That, ladies and gentlemen, is scenario B, which used the law of cosine.